This is the Sealey 1/2 inch electric ratchet. It's got 18 Newton meters, what it'll undo to. I've had it just over 6 months now. Brushless motor. It's a very useful tool to have. There's a battery for it. The Sealey range is very good quality, I think, for the money. I think you can't go wrong with it. As you can see, it's not had a lot of use compared to if you see my other video with my 3/8 one. But I have had my 3/8 one 2 to 3 years now. This one's only 6 months old, and this is the 1/2 inch version. This one is. It's got battery indicator there. That's the specs of it there on the back. 80 Newton meters it'll undo. And obviously with it being a ratchet, you just put it in forward or reverse, depending on whatever you're doing with it. Brushless motor, if it will focus. If it will focus. Brushless motor. 1/2 inch. It's got brake, light, brake, stop as soon as you take your hand off the trigger. An essential tool to make undoing bolts, nuts, whatever you're undoing. Saves a lot of time and well worth it.